Hello everyone. So for today I want to make these like little closures with this little ephemera folder. I thought this would be just a fun little ephemera folder to make that would fit right inside a journal. You could easily just glue down this piece, or you could easily just stick it into a journal. So let's do this together. First things first, I want to make one for another journal here. So I'm just going to cut this to be straighter rather than not so straight. And we're going to cut this down a bit. And I completely did that crooked. There we go. So we got some scraps going. And then this becomes a folder just by doing this. And this is where I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to stick it and use it.
You're done.
You're done? Okay. Have fun. Yep. And then we're going to glue it. Again, I'm just having a bit of fun with this. I'm not being too particular, but at the same time. So we glue down our sides here. And that becomes our little journal. Now I'm just trying to see if this would fit it, and it would fit around it pretty well. So, except it is not straight. So I'm just gonna fold it over here and make it straighter. And then we're gonna add in some little brads here. Again, this has been a while since I made these, but it's still fun. Just a fun little idea. I have to adjust this. Oh shoot, I just dropped it. There's one. There's the other. And this was brads that I bought from my local craft store. So then we take this piece, cut it, this is how I do it. Again, you don't have to do it the same way I am, but this is how I do it. Just add a cute little bow on it, and voila, we got it. And it's easily slides in and out, and you can add little pieces into it. Like, I have a couple of these little tiny tags that I have made for this journaling series. They fit right inside there, and it's just, again, a cute little area or spot to easily have some journaling space. So now we'll use some other different pieces here. Oh, I have one already. Alright. So I'm going to take this piece, and we're going to use our ruler here to make it a bit smaller sized. You don't necessarily have to, but I'm just choosing to do that. Then we can easily, well, it really was not that straight. Okay. I did not cut it as straight as I thought I did. Hopefully that will help with this aspect. So if you don't have a punch, for example, you can easily make a triangle shape here, and voila, you got yourself nice movable piece. So we do that. Now you could decide too that you want the corners to be nice and curved all the way around, or on the ends here. You can do that too. Now here I'm going to follow this black line. Now, what do you do if they're overlapping, for example? You got a couple choices. I'm personally going to take them and cut off about that much there. Okay, they are still overlapping. Now, you could choose to do something as simple as, instead of having them loose like you did before, you can glue this part on and this part onto each other easily and create, again, a nice little space for them to tuck into. And you don't need to have all them extra materials or anything else like that. And yeah, I am keeping this a little plain, but That's because I'm not sure what this is going to be used for, so I don't really want to add too much to it, but at the same time, having too little could be an issue too. So I'm going to take these spare pieces that are kind of not with anything. Let's glue them on a scrap piece of paper. Like that. Then we cut off our biggest portion here. That can be used. That can be stamped on too. And then I'm going to fold this into thirds, I think, after I fold this part. So I'm going to glue these pieces. And I know it seems strange. Why would you do that? You'll see in a minute. This is an easy way to create a cute little like envelope type looking thing to write in that can fit right into this. Same with this one. I'm just gonna, it's kind of like making mini envelopes, but not. Because it isn't going to be the same, you know, it's writable. And it's going to fit right inside these. Again, it's just a very simplistic project with many different variations. It all depends on how you particularly want the variations to be. So I would ask of you is to create your different variations of the same idea. These little, I call them ephemera folders, but in all reality, they're just little folders that you make that you can just stuff into pockets. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night, and don't forget to check out the stuff down below. Bye.